Hello and welcome to my video on installing the motherboard into the AZZA Helios 910R computer case. Today I'll be installing the motherboard, and unfortunately I do not see any schematics on what holes to use for the motherboard, but it shouldn't be too hard, too difficult to line up the motherboard onto the motherboard tray, line it up, figure out, I'm guessing that I'll have to use that and that. Actually, let me grab something here. That hole right there, that hole right there, maybe that hole here, and oh, got the strap in the way, sorry, that hole right there. So we will see. And the motherboard I have, since everyone is dying to know, I have the Gigabyte motherboard, and to be honest, oh, there you go, the Gigabyte EP45 UD3P motherboard. And let's set the camera down. I really do not feel comfortable holding the camera and doing the motherboard at the same time. So we will see, was I right with those? Yes, I was. I will only need to mount 1, 2, 3 standoffs. The other 2 standoffs at the top and the ones that are molded onto the case line up perfectly with my motherboard. So I wonder if I can run, we'll see if I can run that 24 power up behind the board. That's in there. I wonder if there'd be enough room. And anyway, hold on, give me a second. Sorry. So I said before, that silver thing, that, and that one are the only 3 that I had to use. The 2 other top ones on the left, those 2 molded, and those 2 molded line up perfectly with my motherboard, which I am going to set the camera down again. I'll be right back. Now I stare at the logo for a little bit, and I'll be with you in a second. Actually, let's see if we can run that power up. No, the power's on the side. Never mind. How about the 4-pin power? If that would, oh, that'll be too short. Shoot. I have to get some extensions for that if I want to run it behind. Didn't think about that when I was mounting the power supply.